Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is February 17th, 2025, and we are doing a complete breakdown of AMZN's stock price, looking at recent news and correlating it to the charts. Starting with the latest news, we can see from various sources that AMZN's Q4 earnings beat expectations, which is generally positive news. However, there's also some concern about Amazon's weaker-than-expected sales forecast for the coming quarter, causing some uncertainty in the market. Now, let's look at the daily chart. The overall trend seems to be upward, although there have been some recent pullbacks. Notice how the price has consistently found support around the 150 to 160 range. We can also see periods of consolidation around certain price points, suggesting periods of indecision in the market. Examining the volume during these periods is crucial for further insights. High volume may indicate strong conviction behind the move. However, it could also be noise from different events. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a clearer picture of recent price action. This will help us identify any potential short-term trading opportunities that might exist. The 1-hour chart showcases more volatility than the daily chart. However, the uptrend seen on the daily chart still holds true. Support levels seen in the hourly chart seem strong compared to the daily chart. We can observe several instances where the price tested the support or resistance levels before bouncing back or breaking through, which is often helpful when determining potential levels to be bullish or bearish. The current resistance level on the hourly chart seems quite strong. Let's zoom in on the past week on the 1-hour chart, highlighting a specific period of significant price movement. This narrow view shows some key support and resistance levels in more detail. The short-term trend seems to be quite volatile. Now, for a truly granular view, let's examine the 15-minute chart. This chart reveals the price's very short-term fluctuations and can be valuable for day traders or scalpers. It's more volatile than the 1-hour or daily chart. Here you can observe the impact of news events on the price. The 15-minute chart highlights the price's immediate reaction to these news events. High-frequency traders use this level of detail. Let's recap what we've learned. Key support levels in the 150 to 160 range on the daily chart, and strong support levels on the hourly chart. The short-term trend shows higher volatility than the longer-term trends. It's clear that there's a strong uptrend in the long term, but there are short-term pullbacks in the market. Based on the data and current events, the likelihood of Amazon reaching 200 within a short period seems quite high. However, a drop to the 150s is also a possibility, but may require a combination of negative news and strong market sell-offs. In the long term, several factors could reinforce the upward trend, including stronger-than-expected future earnings and general positive market conditions. It's important to follow any major news events or announcements, especially regarding quarterly reports and sales forecasts. Keep an eye on the volume, as this will be an indicator of conviction in the market. High volume usually indicates a stronger conviction behind price changes. It is important to understand the correlation between the news and the chart data. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts.